Hi, in this video we're going to see about the important chapters for Neet 2021. So let's go to the video. And wait, if you guys are new to my channel, I'm Thirumagal and it's my channel Excel with Thiru. I'm a medical student. I teach for class 11th, 12th and NEET students. If you guys are new to my channel, do subscribe it and do watch my previous videos on what is NEET. And I've thought about the human physiology, few of the chapters. So do go check out. And in this video, we are going to see about the most important chapters for NEET 2021. So stay tuned and watch till then. And let's go into the video. Friends, in this video, now biology I have given you a special method of studying. So watch till the end. You will get to know the amazing trick of scoring best in biology. For no further delay, let's go into the video. So let's go into chemistry. Chemistry, you have to 100% kuduthe aanom. It's going to be the easiest. According to me, chemistry is easy. Other organic, inorganic pirikkumbodhu, inorganic is factual. Book la enna irukko, they are surely going to ask what's there in the book. And organic is very, very important. Physical, you might find it difficult, but all physical is also easy. So you 100% chemistry vitradinga. Don't ever leave chemistry. Study chemistry. It's going to be very easy, I'm telling you. And people, so first off, atom. Structure of atom, as I told you, it's a very important chapter. As physics la vandu very, very important chapter la adu varum. So adhe content da you have it in structure of atom chemistry la. So don't leave it. So renduthiyum sethu padichirunga. And then chemical bondings, 100% you have to give your heart and study chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is easy, it will be very interesting chapter. So don't leave chemical bonding is very, very important. Kandipa adlandu or 5 to 6 questions ketruvanga chemical bonding landu. So never leave chemical bonding. I'll do a separate video of all use a lot of tricks and studied chemical bonding. I'll do a separate video on how to study chemical bonding and what are the important topics inside chemical bonding. So stay tuned and watch all those. And solutions. Don't leave solutions. Equilibrium, ionic and the other equilibrium. And redox reaction. Redox reaction is small chapter. Basic and acidic. The renduthiliyum equations practice lot of equations. It's going to be easiest. Textbook la irukka sums ellathiyum solve pannunga and then go for your previous year questions. So this is cakewalk. This redox is so easy. Don't ever miss this chapter. Confirm or kelvi they're going to ask one question, so 4 marks. Don't ever leave it. And then thermodynamics. So thermodynamics la vandu whatever you have it in physics, you get the opposite sign. Inga minus irukka will have plus here. So don't leave. Renduthile irukka chapters la mala vidadinga. Thermodynamics and structure of atom idella same, almost same. So never leave these two chapters. In renduthilum common chapters and never ever leave it. So do it for sure. Next, then electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is also an important chapter. Don't leave it. Next is chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is also an important chapter. Don't leave it. And if you have time, you should do solid state. Solid state la confirm one question will surely come. So do study solid state and surface chemistry. Surface chemistry and confirm or kelvi vandrum. So never miss it. Just to give a glance of surface chemistry, okay? Last minute, 1 month before exam, you can do all these chapters. If you have time, study all the chapters. I'll tell you not to leave any chapter. Idella very important chapter. Idella kandipa don't miss it. They call it do or die chapters. The chapters la vitradinga. It's very important. Surely idella questions varum. So in the mari chapters நம்ம விட்டுறவே கூடாது. We have to study. மீதி இருக்கதை இதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரையாரிட்டைஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தீஸ் ஆர் சாப்டர்ஸ் ஐ வில் கிவ் யூ. ஸோ நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்தது எல்லாமே ஃபிசிக்கல் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி. ஃபிசிக்கல் கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில் தீஸ் சாப்டர்ஸ் நெவர் லீவ் இட். இதை சாப்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணி முடிச்சுட்டு அடுத்தது மீதி இருக்க சாப்டர்ஸ் கோ ஃபார் இட், ஓகேவா? So I'm telling you, never leave any chapter, but take this chapter as a priority. Priority first எடுத்தோன்னே இந்த சாப்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணிட்டு go for the other chapters. அது கெமிக்கல் பாண்டிங்ல இருந்து கன்ஃபார்மாக 6 to 7 questions இருக்கும். கன்ஃபார்மாக அதில் நிறைய questions வரும். Never leave that question. So this is physical chemistry is over. I'm going to inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry ditto whatever is there in the book they're going to ask you. So just memorize it. Swallow all the book words and everything. So DNF block la irundhu sure question varum. ஒரு கொஸ்டின் பேப்பரில் டிஎன்எஃப் பிளாக் இல்லாமல் போகிறே கிடையாது. ஸோ do DNF block first and then coordination and compound is also a very important chapter. And elements of B block very important. Do all those. 100% coordination and compound length. 100% they're going to ask. It's both D and F block is very important. Coordination and compound is very important. So P block, these are chapter both is very important. There you have to study for your NEET. These three is a very important chapter in inorganic. Others you can sit and study later. In the chapter you do this and do your MCQs and then go for the next chapter. Inorganic chemistry mudichom. Let's go for organic chemistry. Organic chemistry la it's like very important. உங்களுக்கு almost 45 questions la they give you like 20 questions organic, 17 to 20 questions organic la da varum. Organic adu it's like I feel organic to be the easiest. Organics like நம்ம ஈக்குவேஷன் படித்தாலே we can create our own. நம்மளே we can do stuffs. So never leave organic. Organic is the base. செம்ம ஈஸியாகவும் கேட்டிருப்பாங்க ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் 2017, 18, 19, 20 all these years organic chemistry அதுவும் 19 and 20 organic chemistry were like easier செம்ம ஈஸியாக கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ never leave organic chemistry. Organic chemistryல 12th volume அதாவது 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் இருக்கிற எல்லா சாப்டரையும் அப்படியே you have to study. I'll teach you separately எல்லா haloalkanes. Every single chapter I'm going to give you a video. I'm going to teach you how I studied. I use a lot of techniques and those are like I just loved organic chemistry because of my teacher Vanishri ma'am. She just taught us like anything. Adha vachu da I studied for my NEET. Whatever it's like for chemistry book is NCERT. Yeah, NCERT. Whatever I studied for my 12th, I'm boldly telling, whatever I studied for my board exam, I used for my NEET exam and I scored really high. So this is like haloalkanes, haloarenes, first chapter. Second chapter is alcohol, phenols and ethers, and aldehydes, ketone and carboxylic acid, and amines. Amines is also an important chapter. And then 11th standard is all 12th la irukka ella organic for all these 4 chapters. And then 11th organic chemistry, some basic concepts of organic chemistry la isomers la irukola. Don't leave those isomers. Nomenclature alla do study. And then strength, which is more basic, which is more acidic, and the trend alla don't leave it from the 11th standard. And hydrocarbons, revise hydrocarbons. These are the organically the chapters la you have equations and stuff. It's like you have to study solve panna or chapter mudichingna go for the MCQs related to it. It's going to be very easy also. So never leave any of these chapters. Organic chemistry heart kuduthu padichirunga. It's very important for your NEET exam. Organic chemistry. Next, super important and super easy chapters. Na solra chapters la surely 2 questions from each chapter vandrum. Biomolecules, chemistry in everyday lives, polymers, and environmental chemistry from 11th standard. Environmental chemistry kadasi chapter irukla, that is also these 4 chapters la confirm 1 to 2 questions vandrum. Adu in the biomolecules, polymers la sure there are going to be questions. So never leave these chapters. So this is all about chemistry. Chemistry we have finished. These are the chapters are very important for your NEET. So do or die chapters. I don't like this word. So these are those type of chapters. Never leave any of these chapters. The mood is to go for the upcoming chapters and the rest whatever you have in your portions. So let's go into the biology section.